Greetings, Darklings, from across the interweb. It is once again I, Precious Ken, the Duchess, for the Sounds and Shadows podcast. I am very excited. Today is our 50th episode of the Sounds and Shadows podcast. And I thought what would be really exciting, since our very first Sounds and Shadows podcast was with I Am the Shadows, Pedro, we would bring Pedro back with a very special announcement for the 50th episode. My friend, it is so good to see you.
So good to see you too, my friend. Yes.
It has been a tough year, and
yes, very tough.
Trying to put the pieces back together, but hopefully some of that is happening. And when you got a hold of me and said you had something exciting that you want to tell the world about, I hope. Yes, I am so touched that it was me you thought of to let you make this announcement. What is new in the news for you, Pedro?
I have a new project called The Ending Nights. It's, I believe it's very different from I Am the Shadow, and I needed to make something different. And I believe it is. So let's hope.
That is really exciting. And wow. I mean, yes, I agree with you that I think this is a new direction, because you let me hear a little. You let me
yes.
Sample a little bit.
A much little. A
very little. But I was floored. And you're right. It is just a total different vibe, a total different sound. And it has this gorgeous, like, dark disco-y like feel to it, which is just outside of kind of the goth or dark wave that you'd been doing before.
Yes.
What kind of brought on this change for you, of why you felt like you needed to get this out?
I needed some energy. We had 2 bad years. We don't play live, and I needed something powerful, something different, and I did it. So
you did do it, and
I did it.
It sounds amazing. I see the kitties are excited too behind you there. I'm so excited.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so excited to get a chance to share this with the world. I don't want to spend a lot of time just talking and going through. Let's do an interview later down the line. Let's really get in depth and talk about it once the album comes out. What you have sent over, you have a video to premiere and share of the new project. Why don't you introduce the video? I believe you had a director for it.
Yes.
The director and the name of your first track for the new project, and we'll roll it out for people.
Yes. My first single is "Landscape to Die." It's the title of the album. It will be the title, and I choose this name because in these moments I feel a real landscape to die, and this, and it's very.
There is a sense of foreboding everywhere, for certain.
Yes. I felt it, and I wrote this song, and I believe the video is very simple but powerful. But
I'm very excited. I can't wait to roll it out for people. Pedro, it's always a pleasure to see you and talk to you, my friend. Let's roll into the new video from a brand new project from Pedro.
Let's go.
With the first video, "A Landscape to Die." Enjoy.